Hello, my dear lovely students. Welcome all of you to English class. In the last class, we had learned about the ASGP2, in which we got to know how the young man and the beggars gave their own statement on the horse, and how the king's officer was confused, for which he did not know who was thief and whose horse was it. In this way, the ASGP2 was completed, but today we will learn about the ASGP3. The ASGP3 is the last part of this story. In this part, the young man was proved himself that this horse is his. At first, the young man requested the king's officer and said, "Sir, please allow me to ask a question to the beggar." Then the king officer allowed to the young man and said, "Go on." Here "go on" means continue. After getting the permission, the young man took off his turban and quickly he covered the horse's eyes with it. Here took off means remove, and turban means the traditional headdress consisting of a long scarf wrapped around the head. Then he said to the beggars, "You say that this horse is yours. You know about your horse details, and you can say about your horse. So I want to know, tell me, which of its eyes is blind? The left eyes or the right eyes?" The beggar said, "Right eyes." The young man said, "Are you sure its right eyes is blind?" The beggar is fully confused and said, No, its left eye is blind." Then the young man turned to the king's officer and said, "Sir, my horse's eyes are all right. It is not blind at all. Can you see its eyes?" Then the king's officer took off this turban and looked at the horse's eyes. The horse was not blind at all. So at last the king's officers knew that the beggar was thief, and he put the beggars in prison. In this way, the last part of the story means ASGP3 is complete. I hope you understood well. So I want to ask some question. Are you ready? Yes, very good. First tell me, what did the young man do with his turban? Who can say? Very good. The young man opened his turban and covered the horse's eyes with it. Okay, thank you. Then the next question means question number 2. What did the young man ask the beggar? Who can say? What did the young man ask the beggar? Who can say? Yes, very good. The young man asked the beggars to find out which eyes of the horse was blind. Then last question. Who was very clever? Who can say? Who was very clever? Very good. The young man was very clever. Okay. The young man was very clever. Okay. Thank you very much. Take care. Class is over. Take care.